Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 16 of Vlogmas. In today's video, we are going to get a pedicure, we're gonna wrap some gifts, and we're going to refresh these curls. Let's get into it. So we are back from the pedicure, much needed. I love getting a pedicure. That massage and share is always the truth. So pedicure is done, check. Now it is time to wrap some gifts. So the gifts are wrapped, and now it's time to tackle this hair. Let's get into it. All right, so it's time to transform these curls, and I am literally dealing with a migraine headache. So we are going to make this do what it do, because sick or not, we still gotta slay these curls. So we're gonna do a twist and curl. Really, it's a PermRod set, but I'm going to twist it at the roots. And I'm going to be using products from TruBalance, the Revitalized Liquid Vitamin Hair Mist. Okay. And the TruBalance Foaming Mousse Wrap Lotion. Love, love, love both of these products. As you can see, I've been using them both. I've done a PermRod set using these products before. So that was about a month ago. So we're gonna do a comparison picture of what the PermRod set looked a month ago and then what it looks like today. So let's get into the styling. Okay, so we're just starting by sectioning off our hair. And again, with this PermRod set, we are going to do 2-strand twist at the root. So maybe twisting about 2 to 3 times. And then applying the PermRods. And I'm going to be using the gray colored PermRods. So I just sectioned off my hair. I'm gonna go in with the Revitalized Liquid Vitamin Hair Mist as my leave-in conditioner. So I am working on old hair, just like I did with the last PermRod set. using these products. So once I do that, split that back section in half, detangling with my HeatFreeHair Brush. One side is to detangle, the other side is to define. So just going in, detangling that section. Then we're going to go in with the mousse, and we're gonna do like a pump and a half. And I absolutely love this mousse. Definitely going to be doing a wash and go with this mousse coming up real soon. So again, we're going to twist 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 times. Detangle again. Take our PermRod, bring it down to the end of our hair. And then we're just going to roll it up. So I'll just be repeating those same steps throughout the rest of my hair. For the takedown. Hopefully our hair is completely dry. Curls are looking good so far. And a little oil to my hands. I'm just going in, stretching the curls. Just going to unravel. See the definition, the shine. My hair feels so soft. Okay, and here are the final results. Cute PermRod set using TruBalance Revitalized Liquid Vitamin Hair Mist and Foaming Mousse Wrap Lotion. Quick and easy transformation. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.